unbelievable. There's 3 of us sitting here on quads. The other ones ran off. They're up there. 10 feet away. 10 feet. I'm 10 feet from the deer. I'm walking towards it. Now I'm 10. Now there's 3 deer. 3 big does. They're going up the hill now, but they just stand there looking at me. Unbelievable.
That he shot isn't over there by you, right?
No, it's on the 9 acres. So if you want to help us, we're going to do the film and everything, and you come on down, we're going to gut it the whole bit. Otherwise, you can stay out hunting.
Copy that. I want to hang out for a while and see what's going on. Is he going to take that deer right away to the butcher? I'd like to see it.
Yeah, he's going to take it home with him. All right, we finally got us a buck. What happened, Michael? Tell the story.
Well, I was in the 9 acres and you're blind.
Right.
And there was some doe around me, and I waited there watching them for about 45 minutes to an hour. Figured maybe they would attract some buck. And they finally did. About an hour later, this guy came from the top of the mountain down. And I don't know, about 60 yards away, 70 yards away maybe. And I took my shot in between a couple dead trees and whatnot, and it sounded like it hit a tree when it hit him. And he went stumbling down the hill a little ways.
Did you finally
collapsed.
Did you walk up to the deer?
Did I walk up to the deer? Yeah. I waited 20 minutes before I even got out of my blind.
But I mean, you finally did walk up to the deer.
Yeah.
All right,
yeah, I
he's
walked
lying
up to
dead.
the deer. I touched his antlers. I grabbed them already. I was there. My bag is there. My crossbow is there.
All right.
Everybody but us is not there. So
well, we're gonna
go there now.
We're getting everybody together, man. It's a party.
So we better get.
Congratulations, buddy.
Well, thank you.
Hey, perseverance. He's been out since fucking dawn.
It's Sunday. It's a beautiful day. It's finally took a long time.
Yeah.
A long time.
Deer hunting's not an easy thing.
No, it's really not. Those deer are smart.
No matter what you see on the videos.
Smart and very keen.
Yeah.
They hear everything. It's amazing that
especially when they're in the woods. Out in the field, yeah, they're like carefree.
Yeah, it's crazy. That's something else.
Where's your deer?
It's on its way.
It's on its way. All right, so what we did, we just called, Andrew is like that way in his tree stand, about, I don't know, 500 feet that way. And Benny up another ledge up. So I called them, we want to get them involved and bring them down so they can do the video with us. There's my stand. We just had those 3 deer. I couldn't believe that, though. That freaking deer would not leave.
And they didn't move. I'm trying to be quiet, and we pull up with 3 quads, and they're not even moving.
No.
No,
Normally, the quads...
I think they like the quads.
The quads don't scare them.
No, they really don't. They
as soon as you
like
get off
safe.
it, you shut it off, and you get off that quad and
they
start
never got
walking
shot
to them.
by a quad. That's
They're
what it
gone. Yeah. All right, I guess we'll slowly go towards the pole barn. It's going to take them 10 minutes to come down the mountain.
all right, let's go.
All right, come on, outside.
Where'd Mike go?
Mike said, you know what?
Right behind.
Oh, you shot him over here?
Shot her right out of the blind.
Where is it, Danny?
I don't know yet. I haven't been here.
Oh, I thought you were here.
No. All right, we're going to find the deer right now.
The blood right through here.
Yeah, you got the blood?
Yeah. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Got blood here. Look, got blood there. There's the blood.
Good. Oh, he ate the big one. Good.
Look. There's blood.
One that was at my tree stand this morning.
Come
No.
in the middle of the day like that.
That the one with the crook in the rack?
Yeah, look. With the little
I
point.
heard all woodchuck shots today.
It's got the
Target
crooked
shots?
sign? No.
I don't know if we've got this one.
I don't know either.
I never saw that one on the video.
That's not the small basket? I don't know. I don't think it had that. Like you said. You gotta check the videos.
Don't matter. Nice job, Mike.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Look where you hit him.
Right?
In the heart.
Thanks, man.
Through there. You hit him on this side?
Yeah, that's it. That's
Young deer.
No, he must have been on the other side.
You know when you
The big one
What are you gonna get him?
was at my stand at
Oh, he
6:29.
said I got the big one. I don't know.
It didn't even stop. He just
was saying,
walked
what
right
kind of
past the
knife is
camera. And like I said, he stopped at the ridge, doing one of these, and then he just went over the thing and he was coming down this way.
Well, he's still here. We still got. This is
got
a
at least
brand new
4.
buck. We got 5 other ones.
I think it ramped up again maybe a little bit because of him, what I saw this morning with him, and now him, it might be ramping up again.
I went to Frank's house before.
I wouldn't turn this down.
I said I just ran the whole property. They're in a deer moving. They're all coming out about 1 o'clock.
I would shoot that.
I wouldn't turn him down.
He gets this
Small
at noon.
basket 8, but I would not turn him down. No way.
Love him.
He's got nice height.
Yeah. How many pounds do you think he is? How do we?
I'm gonna say 125, 130,
Is it 30 pounds?
but we'll weigh him.
Okay. Dressed? Right? So let's
Right
go
there. If you want. Hey,
He's one pre-mortem. Now, maybe they blew the tire.
Hey!
The fire poker. But whatever blow killed him was probably done to his head.
wake up!
Thousand feet for chopped up.
You want to get involved?
Involved in what?
Mike just shot a beautiful 8-pointer.
Mike?
Mike,
Your Mike?
right up to 9 acres.
Good.
So if you want, get in your truck. We're gonna cut it and weigh it and everything down at my cabin. Benny's there, Andrew's there. All right, we decided to bring him back to the house and gut him. And then we're gonna weigh him. Beauty!
Nice!
All right,
Home!
let me get the scale.
Alright. I'll do it from that. I gotta poke a hole in first.
All right, any guesstimates on the weight?
111.
111?
111.
125.
That's what I said, yeah, 125. All right, now I'm gonna say 142. Now that I see him.
I'll say one.
My crossbow one way, Kenny.
Let me see.
I'm saying 111.
Somebody do this, I'm trying to film.
125.
No, it's crossbow says you want to move it up.
Good. I got it.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's up. Push the quad back. Watch the blood.
With a neutral?
All right, good. Good. There you go. What's that say, Danny? Oh, he's on 150.
145, exactly what I just said.
Not bad.
Yeah.
I can let him down or what?
Doesn't look that
Did I peg 145 or what?
Not bad.
He don't look that big.
145. Could have been 148.
Not
Yep.
bad.
You zoom in.
Tie him up right there. You could
Got him right here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tie it off. You can
All right.
right there.
148. He's a big deer.
Okay, you ready? What do you say? 3-year-old deer?
I'll check the teeth in a minute.
Hold on, Danny. I'll do it for you. Open his mouth. I don't think. No.
This is a hunting cabin.
Yeah, now it is.
I don't
Got
think.
everything you need. Scales,
Benny, I want to see something.
Is it that one?
Old Glory.
Turn it around. You know something?
Is it that one? The second one?
You know what? Turn it to the left.
Running around.
See the other
Hey,
deer.
that 7-pointer that Mike shot that year? We never saw him on the cameras. The one with the rack, you know,
The
the mount that
10-pointer
I
I
should
shot.
get. The mount that I should have because I took 5 shots at him and missed.
145.
Yeah, oh, and
I
Craig said
dro-
it should be on his
I
wall.
drove him to Mike. Yeah, he was telling me about that yesterday.
Stretched
Yeah.
out like that.
Mike, you're not bringing out the whole Bex, are you?
Yeah.
To celebrate?
Yeah, we're gonna celebrate.
Right.
Sounds good.
I'll even do one of them.
There you go. For everybody. Did you just drop out?
No.
No?
Drop that, no.
All right, now what?
All right, keep going down.
Going down?
Yeah. Going down right to his nutsack.
Now I lost him.
Watch your fingers.
Pretty far down there.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. now take the knife and go in here and cut up till you hit bone.
Okay. Where's the bone?
Okay, nice. All right, stop. Because this will be part of the mount.
Okay.
All right, now you reach up in there.
Uh-huh.
A lot of times it's easier if it's laying on the ground because you can pull it apart. I'll hold the deer. What you got to do is you got to spread this apart. Okay? And there's a sinew in there. It's like a sinew that holds the guts onto the frame of the deer. Slice that down on both sides. Ooh,
That?
man.
That part?
That part. And yeah, that separates the heart and lungs from the guts, from the the stomach and all of that, the liver. Okay, get to the point where here comes the guts. There you go, one piece.
Done. Voila!
Nice job. All right, now we'll lower them down. Now you got to reach way the fuck up in there, and you got to grab the throat.
Okay.
You'll see it says the trachea.
Yep.
Grab that.
I'm
Get
gonna
your
have
knife
to lower
above
this.
it. Yeah, I'll lower it down. Or you lower it down. Go ahead. You got it?
Yep.
Don't drop them, otherwise you break the horns. Then we'll weigh them without the guts.
Okay.
See how much guts weighs. I think it's about
All the way up, you saying?
almost like 30 pounds of guts. Yeah, go way up in there.
The knife or pull?
Well, find it with your hand first.
Yeah, I found it with the hand.
You feel it the trachea?
I don't know what a trachea feels like.
Well, it's like a tube, and you should be able to squeeze and it'll collapse. It's the breathing tube. Then get your knife up in there above your hands and cut sideways. And the whole heart and everything should come right out.
Well, I definitely got a trachea.
Okay?
Why ain't the rest of them got... Ah! Shit.
Okay, so?
Maybe. Okay.
You feel the heart and everything?
Yeah, it's above... Try not to poke myself with this knife.
All right. Go in very slowly.
Shouldn't come...
There you go.
Come
I
right
see it
out
heart
again.
coming. Got it.
Dinner's ready! That's it, right?
That's it.
Fucking A.
Okay, now we'll wash them out good. I like doing this in house, right?
This is hot water too. This is really good.
It'd look like this in the woods.
Everything better. Hose, hot water, this is great.
I know guys can do this, not going to drop blood on them.
And did they drink? Yeah, I did cut myself.
Little guy.
There you go. Let's see.
It must have shocked the shit out of you seeing that thing walk up, right?
Oh, I'm so excited. My heart, I never breathed like that in my life. My fucking heart was gonna come out of my chest. It was amazing. Like I thought it was gonna hear me breathing. And I couldn't even slow it down. I couldn't quiet my breathing. I was like,
It's called buck fever, but you got through it.
buck fever, man.
It was.
Wow, it was amazing. He was on the move when I shot him. He was not standing still. He was en route.
Great
He
shot.
was after those doe.
Great shot.
Yeah.
All right, let's weigh him without the guts. I'm guesstimating about 30 pounds of guts. So he should be 120 when we weigh him.
All right.
There we go. See you later, Michael. See you later, buddy.
I'll see you next weekend.
I'll be here. This was right after Mike left. I pull up to the field in my stand. This doe is standing, oh, maybe over there about 10 feet more. Watches me drive by through here with the quad. I park the quad. It's standing over there, right behind these trees. It watches me get my pack, hook the bow up on the string, climb the ladder, sit down, and now I'm talking while it's eating. It's eating apples out of that tree. There's still a bunch of apples in that tree. And there's probably 6 more just below the pond up there. Well, hopefully a nice big buckaroo comes flying in. Later. Alright, we just pulled up to, you must remember this, we built that last year. We're gonna put the windows in it today.
My nephew was gonna love you guys.
This is the view
What's this?
from the tree stand.
Craig, what happened? What did you drop it the other night when you shot that buck at night?
What's that?
It's a joke.
Oh.
Oh, look at me filming you.
Filming me, filming you, filming me. Now that's the actual view you want. The field, the wood line.
Frank, I've been on that property hunting twice. About on my property line. There's actually more deer over there. I've seen it with the thermal imaging camera.
Too, I can't get with this.
Looking across.
Making blocking to the inside.
There you go. Oh.
How much?
It's 21 7/8.
Filmed. It's on record.
Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Yes, very good. Congratulations.
52 yards.
There you go. Nice long shot. Where were you? You were over here?
No, the apple tree.
Oh, were you? Okay.
It was about 6 dollars come down. Pick the thing up so it's facing me.
Phil.
Andrew, up here. Yeah. Right?
Got it.
Very good.
No flash? 10 after 4.
Grab him
The
again.
does started coming down. I had 6 does under me. I start seeing
Here, take him.
something coming from the bottom of the pond, right? Look at it. He's getting closer, but I'm looking through the tree. Uh-oh, I see antlers. He came down, he stayed on the edge of the field. He didn't come towards the tree or anything. And I'm watching, he jumped over the ditch over here, and he went right along the tree line.
Yeah, Danny, hold the head.
Just sniffing.
That's
Danny.
nice.
So, I says, look, this thing, I know it's about 50 yards to that tree line, right?
That's a nice.
I picked it up, I looked at the 40-yard pin. That's all I got, 20, 30, 40.
Nice 8-point.
Raised it up just a little bit, took a shot. I heard the arrow hit something, but I couldn't see the deer react. It just walked away. So I let it sit 15 minutes. I said, let me go check for blood. Get out of the tree. It went exactly where I thought. There's the arrow sticking out of the ground. Pulled it out, blood all over the feathers. Yes! I followed him with the flashlight now. It's starting to get dark. Good blood, and here we are, 40, 50 yards of the shot.
Very good, man. It's a pretty nice deer.
Yeah.
Very good.
We hit the button for record. On record. Alright, we made it back to the house. We're gonna hang him, weigh him. Whoa. Are you guys good at reading scales?
I can read.
You know, this is a talking video.
Yeah, so you can say a few words.
Yeah. You can move, you can talk.
I can count to 100 and backwards too.
Could somebody hook that on for me?
What do you want it hooked to, Danny? This hook
Yeah.
right here?
No, not the hook, right through the loop.
Look, the other
Yeah,
deer,
the hook's good
nothing's
anyway.
touched it.
The
Yep.
loop is good. There you go. All right, undo the bands. Three.
Watch its head get ripped off. Got a weak little neck. That guy have
like
any
waiting on-
testosterone in him?
Only
Look at
did
that.
40
it don't-
minutes.
Not swollen.
No.
The neck's not swollen. It don't smell.
Can you pull it off
The,
the floor?
the deer that Mike
Mike,
smelled stunk like crazy, and his neck was swollen. You can't read
I
it that
wouldn't say
high.
he doesn't smell.
Is he off the ground?
Yes, he
Yeah.
is.
hello, PETA. They would love this.
Come on over here with the camera, Craig.
Oh, the scale's on my side.
Good. I'll put the flashlight on. Can you zoom in?
Well, let me hit zoom here. Where's zoom? Wide, tight?
On top.
140. Oh no, 150 something, right? Or is it
Oh.
at 150?
155?
Yep, about that. Yeah, somewhere around there.
155. Right. All right, beauty. He's got a peepee. But he's
Yes,
not going to use it anymore.
You're the one that's hard of hearing. What? What?
What are you saying what for?
Hey, he didn't get to pass on his genes with his crooked little rack. There you go.
You see this crook in the rack here? That's very noticeable on the trail cams.
Yep.
So we got him too on film. And the big 8 is still alive.
You think so?
I know so. I'll show you the video.
I'll have to see that for myself.
Come on in the house a minute.
Okay.
Kill this.